Okay, next we're going to the facial nerve. So I asked you before about any changes in taste or smell, so any really noticeable changes in your taste?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'm going to have you do some crazy things with your face, okay? I'd like you to open your eyes as wide as you can. All right, now close them and keep them closed. I'm going to try and raise your lids. Okay, good. You can open your eyes. Now give me a big smile, big frown. Raise your eyebrows. Okay, now I want you to puff out this cheek and puff out the other cheek. Okay, that is that cranial nerve. The next one we're going to check your hearing, which is your acoustic nerve. So there's going to be two parts to this one. First of all, have you had any trouble with your hearing? Have you noticed any changes? No. You can hear fine. Mm-hmm. No past ear infections? No. Okay, you're taking any aspirin? No. Any medications? Mm-hmm. Okay, no tubes in your ears? No. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place this on the top of your head. This is what we call the Weber test. And I'll place it on top of your head, and I want you to tell me if you hear it the same in both ears or if it's louder in one versus the other, okay? Hear it the same? Same? Mm-hmm. Okay, great. All right. The next one is I'm going to ring it, and I'm going to place it behind your ear on your mastoid. Okay. This is called the Rene test. Sure. And then I'm going to bring the tuning fork next to your ear again and tell me when you stop hearing it. Okay. So do you hear that? Mm-hmm. Okay, tell me when it stops.
Okay.
Okay, good. Do you hear that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Tell me when it stops. Okay, good. That's twice as long. That's normal. And of course, we'll be doing the same thing on the other ear. The other thing I want to do is, can you hear this?
Okay.
Okay. And can you hear this?
Okay.
Okay, good. And then the last part is we're going to check your balance. Sure. So if you could stand up, okay, away from the table a little bit, mm-hmm. and just stand there with your arms down at your side. Mm-hmm. Okay, now close your eyes. Okay, good. Open them. You're good. Now you're going to have you march in place with your eyes open. Bring your knees up pretty high. Okay. Okay, and now close your eyes and continue to march in place. Okay, good. And that is what we call Mittelmeyer's. And you pass both of those with flying colors, so you can sit down again. Great. Okay. Okay. The next two nerves we're going to do together is called the glossopharyngeal and the vagus nerve. I've been listening to you talk, and there seems to be no problem with your enunciation. So I would also like you to take a sip of your water, if you can, and I'm going to watch you swallow. Okay. Hold on just 1 second. I'm going to take a pen light and see if I can. Okay, go ahead. Okay, great. Okay, I'll put this back over here. Okay, and now the next thing is I'm going to have you open your mouth and say ah, and I'm going to look in. Okay, good. Okay. We would do the gag reflex, but we don't do this at our facility here, so you lucked out on that one. Okay. The next one is what we call the spinal accessory, and so I'm going to be just testing a couple of your muscles here. Sure. I'm going to be feeling the SCM, mm-hmm. okay, and I'm going to feel your traps. Okay. So I want you to shrug your shoulders up against my hands. Okay. Good. Okay. Now I want you to turn your face into this hand, okay, and turn your face into this hand. Good. Now I want you to touch your chin to your chest and put your head back as far as you can the other way. Okay, great. And we have one word to do, and that's the hypoglossal. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to pretend we're doing Christmas carols. I want you to say la la la.
La 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 la.
Good. All right, now I want you to stick your tongue out. Okay, can you curl your tongue? Okay, can you try and touch your nose with your tongue?
Stop one.
All right. All right, that's pretty good. So now I want you to push your tongue against this cheek, and I'm going to try and push it in, okay? Okay, good. And the other way? Good.